Yes, you will recall that in a recent broadcast in our alert series, we had talked about the so-called Water Resources Bill that was sent to the National Assembly, and the title of that broadcast was Water Resources Bill, Ruga in Disguise, a Nina's countermand. Just like Nina's shut down the amendment that was disguised as local government autonomy, that Water Resources Bill will say is dead on arrival, because the Land Use Act that invests the title on the governors is embedded in the Constitution and has acquired the status of Constitution, such that the federal government cannot legislate on anything concerning land, and for the purpose of that their legislation, water is part of that. Land is everything on land and beneath the land. Therefore, water, for the purpose of that bill, is part of land. The governors have we hear that in the governors forum, we saw in the news report that the governors say that the law has been proposed does not meet, it offends the Constitution. We will say to the governors, welcome on board to stand up and say so before they get to the next step. We also heard about impeachment that was intended. I want us to look at this map. The reason we've come to make this broadcast now concerning that bill yet again is to let us know the depth of mischief, is to let us see the depth of mischief building up around us. The map you see here in the background that has all these blue, zigzag marks, our people, that map, what you see in blue is the satellite charting, the satellite imagery of what will be taken by that Water Resources Bill, which intends to annex to the federal government ownership 3 kilometers of land to the left and to the right of all bodies of water. What you see in this map, everything you see in blue in this map, is the waterways, and the 3 meters, including the 3 kilometers to the left and right. That's why it is that wide. So what you see in blue is all the waters that will be captured by that law. And as wide as you see that blue is how wide the 6 kilometers of land that will, straddle those waters. That is to the left and right of the waters. When you look at it overall, you will then see what is left of anybody's land. All the lands would have, all the lands are actually taken. Look at the map again. Everything in blue is the land that will be taken if that bill is allowed to progress beyond where. So it's even worse than all the other Ruga attempts they have made. This is more comprehensive, which is why what you see in that blue is it could be said to be more than 3/4 of all the lands of Nigeria. Look at it again. And so if all this, with the waters running in the middle of all those blue lines is the body of water, and the land 3 kilometers to the left and right throughout the country, if all of those lands and waters become now the assets of, because they say they will take land anywhere water is, the land that adjoin it, if all of that become the exclusive property of the federal government, that is owned by, it's already owned and controlled by the Fulani, there's no land left for you take just cast your mind over to the river that you know, whether it's River Benue or River Niger or River Ogunpa in Ibadan, or the ones in Abeokuta. Take 3 kilometers to the left, 3 kilometers to the right, sweeping through the length and breadth of that river. That is what they target. And so, yes, the governors have spoken, but we come back to the members of National Assembly from the Alliance territory to remind them that that bill should not see the light of the day in terms of getting to second reading. Until this constitution goes down, that bill should not be allowed to come to the floor of that house. If it does come to the floor of that house, the owners of the lands that are going to be taken will take it out, will hold you responsible for aiding the enemy that wants to take their land. The mere fact that it comes for second reading at all is your guilt in the matter. The only thing we don't want to hear how you opposed it or how you voted when it began to debate, when the debate began. The only thing that you are being asked to do now is to make sure it doesn't come to second reading. Whatever you have to do, including shutting down that house. I think we can leave it there for now because we've spoken about it before and we have referred to the title of the broadcast in which we spoke about it. Thank you.